In education now, the Manukau Institute of Technology opened their brand new smart campus in Manukau yesterday. We'll bring you more on that next week.
In addition to that, MIT celebrated the success of almost 300 Pasifika students who've completed courses. As Tanganoa Tele Osone Okesene reports, 2 of the graduates created history for MIT.
For 10 years, MIT has celebrated their Pasifika graduates with a special night. This year it's a ceremony of thanksgiving including clergy and community alike.
We really wanted to bring the families together and really just give our thanks to God. And we thought, let's get everyone together for a lotu, have our community leaders and our whewhiao to participate.
It's a special night as MIT acknowledged their first Pasifika PhD graduate, Ailoilo Dr. Elise Puni, who's earned his doctorate in business administrations. He represents both Tuvalu and Samoa. Another who's having an extra special night is Bachelor of Social Science graduate Tauva Ahing. She has the honour of being the eldest MIT Pasifika graduate, earning her degree at the age of 68.
God bless.
I really feel appreciated, and I think completing the degree is something I was looking forward to it.
With a diploma already in her back pocket, Tauva was able to do an intensive one-year course to qualify for her degree. Graduating's made looking back at all the hard work a little easier.
It's not easy. It's a lot of tears, especially when it's come to assignments. And the English is my second language, and it's hard for me. So when it's come to the assignments, if I sleep one hour, that was lucky.
I remember coming here and she'd be like on the couch in her room, on the single chair, and she'd be asleep or she'll be up reading and she's got notes everywhere and everything. So I think she did awesome.
Prior to studying, Tauva spent over 20 years in a support role in mental health. Often at Starship Children's Hospital, she could see a need for more Pacific counsellors for young people.
I know my people, they have not enough people they qualify for the counselling as well, because I learned our children really need some counsellors, some people who understand about that field.
With her studies done for the time being, she's able to spend a little more time with her grandchildren and family, who are proud of her achievement.
Mum's 68 and she's beaten 4 of my siblings. One who's currently he should have graduated before Mum, but no, Mum's beaten him. So, sorry. So to have our mother graduate with a degree, it's awesome.
Tauva Ahing.
For me, I feel very positive about that side, because it's proved to myself I'm not too old to learn.